Hi there, Lisa Arana here from Dahlhouse Designs, sharing a card featuring the I Consider You Special Stamp Kit from Unity Stamp Company. This stamp set is all about that amazing doily frame and a great combo of sentiments. We are going to be doing some watermark stamping today. It's an oldie technique, but always fun to revisit the classics. I'll be using the doily, butterfly, and a sentiment for this card. First, I'm just stamping out that doily in black VersaFine ink. And then I'm going to be using the butterfly in 3 different positions and using a purple color from Hero Arts. I think it's called Soft Purple. So I'm just stamping that butterfly down on my transparency. That'll help me move it around and get the placement of the butterfly that I want in its 3 different positions. If you find that your ink is too dark for this technique, you can always stamp it off first on a piece of scrap paper to lighten it up and then stamp it on your project. So now I have everything all stamped out and I'm just adding my sentiment to the center, and I'm doing multiple layers here just so I get a nice deep dark crisp image over that watermark stamping. And then I die cut my whole image using a circle die cut. I have my card base covered in some watercolor paper from My Favorite Things and just layering over some vellum. The first sheet I just glued down, and the second sheet here I'm tearing the edges just for a little bit of texture. And I'm going to be hiding the glue behind that popped up die cut that we've created. Just trimmed my edges there, and I didn't plan this out very well. Usually if I'm going to be adding a bow, I have a top fold card. And I forgot that, so I have a side fold card, and we're going to do a little bit of surgery by cutting a slit using a X-Acto knife and then using some sort of object. Here I'm using a nail file to help push that string through so we can tie a bow on the card. Just playing with this bow a little bit to make sure I get it in a good position, and then I'm going to pop up the watermarked sentiment and doily just on the side here, which hides that glue that we put behind the vellum. Here is the finished card with those beautiful butterflies watermarked behind the sentiment and a bit of softness added with the vellum and bow. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.